Good morning. It's 10:15 here in Pittsburgh, and as you can hear, it's not possible to film this radio without filming yourself. Well, as you can see, it's pretty much another dead radio day here in Pittsburgh. That's the quarry that's about a mile and a half away from me. So this morning, here we go. I love to take pictures of myself. I thought that I'd do a little comparison here. Now, a long time ago, Dan Fogelberg and Tim Weisberg did an album called Twin Sons of Different Mothers. Well, this is kind of in that theme, because the twin son is this J.C. Penney's radio that I featured before. I'll turn it on. There's nothing going on here. I don't have the antenna connected to it. Now, where the similarity comes in, you have 3 knobs, channel selector, the other 3 knobs. On this one, you have 3 knobs, channel selector, and 3 more knobs. But, of course, the Penney's is a little bit more advanced. The Lafayette is from 1972, I think it is. I'd have to look on a sticker on the back and see if it says where it's from. But it still works good and sounds good. But both radios have a similar theme. By changing the power cord on the back, they can be used in the house or to be used in a car. And I don't have the mobile power cord for either one of them because I'm not really interested in using them in a car. I got more than enough car radios. And of course, the Penney's is a little bit more advanced. We have a noise blanker, the same as we do with the Lafayette and the A&L. Now, the difference is in the sideband positions. The Lafayette does AM, upper sideband, lower sideband. The classic way with the knob. With the Penney's, you have to flip the switch from AM to sideband, and then you have another switch that selects upper or lower. And the Penney's also has a built-in SWR meter, which the Lafayette does not. And it also has a tone control. But you have your fine tune. Strangely, fine tune here as well. And the layout's a little bit different. We've got the volume, squelch, and RF gain on this side. And on this side we have the squelch, the RF gain, and the volume. Now on the right side, we have fine tune, tone, and SWR calibrate. And on this side, we have fine tune, sideband selector, and A&L or noise blanker. So the difference between the two really isn't a whole lot. Just that this one's a 40, and this guy's a 23. But you got to admit, see if I can get my hand out of the way. It's a beautiful die-cast panel. Radios in the early 70s had that, and it cost a whole ton of money. But, you know, you look at them 50 plus years later, and they still look as good as they did when they were new. This one, Everything's plastic, brushed aluminum, but it's wood grain. The Lafayette is not wood grain. Well, anyway, I hope you liked the video here on this cold, non-skip morning here in Pittsburgh. Happy DX.